What is up, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at this right here. The Dynalog DG600C foldable GPS drone. That's what's in this box right here. And I got the gray one because it's checked there, gray. Okay, let's get it out of here and check it out. Alright, so here's everything out of the box. And let me take a quick look at the remote first. Now the remote has an integrated battery. So you don't have to put AA's or AAA's in there. It's already built in, and you just have to charge it with the charge port right here. And they give you a dedicated charger cable for it if you want to use that. I think you could just plug it into your USB port on your computer or whatever. But here's the antenna. Here's a little speed thing here. Here's a return to home. Here's a GPS where you can turn the GPS on and off. Here's your compass calibration. There's your takeoff and land, here's your power button, and there's your headless mode button right there. But, and then you got, of course, your photo and video on the top here. But I am going to take you through the compass calibration on this. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy stuff, okay? So we're going to do that. Then you got a spare props, a whole set, actually. And you get the screws for them right here. You get 2 chargers for the batteries right here, or the chargers. Here's the 2 batteries. I'm not sure what the size is. I didn't. Oh, wait a minute. Here's the label right here. Hold everything. The 3.7 1600 milliamp hour. Right there it is. Right there. I think it's focusing. Okay. So you get 2 of those. And of course the screwdriver. A nice quick start guide. The quick start guide is really informative, and it'll get you right in the air. No problem. And then you got your regular manual. So yeah, great stuff. Let me show you the drone. Now you have to fold it from the back forward first because of the legs. Folds out real easy. There's the front of it. There's the camera. Now the camera's manual. It's not a power. Doesn't have a motor. Now there's a spot in here for a micro SD card, which I have one in there already. And it goes in there with the label up on the SD card. There's the battery slot right there. And that goes in there pretty quick and easy. Just go like that. Pop it in there. Yeah. Easy peasy, right? Let's turn this on. Let's turn on the power on the transmitter. Now they'll bind together. You don't have to do the up and down stick thing. It'll do it by itself. Okay. So now I'm going to take you through the compass calibration real quick and show you that. So what you do is you get it turned on, then you just hold that compass button in until these lights go out. You see that? The lights are out. Then you just pick it up and turn it. And it prompts you. Then you turn it head down. And there it's done. Very simple. Very easy. Easy stuff. Now, I'm going to show you how to arm the motor. You have to turn off the GPS, which I just did. You see that? That armed up the motors, and that turns them off. Same way. Down and out to arm them. And down and out to turn them off. And then to do a level calibration, you just go down and to the left. See that? And the lights will flash there for a second. So yeah, easy stuff, man. Easy stuff. Let's get the app fired up real quick and I'll show you that. The app is called Dynalog Besta. It's right there. Right there. Dynalog Besta. It's the QR code's in that little quick start guide, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, let's turn on the app, and then this screen will come up and it'll just say start. So you just hit start and go next. So there it is. There it is right there. You see that? I'm going to show those flowers like I always do. Okay, so we'll do that. And now over here are the gestures, of course. You know, I'm not a big fan of the gestures. I really don't care about gestures. But anyway, here's the follow me feature over here. So when we get it outside, you know, we'll try that out and see what's going on with that. So yeah, so let's get out and fly it, man. The app looks pretty straightforward. I don't think it's going to be that complex. Hold on, let me hit these settings. Okay, so there's a beginner mode setting on there. So yeah, but I have it turned off. Okay, we're not going to be using the beginner mode. All right, guys, let's go fly it. Okay, so let me do another compass calibration. Okie dokie, let's take off again. No, it's doing the same thing. It's just when the GPS is on, it's just all over the place. Look at it. You know, all the toilet bowling and look at that. That's crazy. Okay, that's just not gonna work out for anybody. Sorry. That's not gonna work for anybody. Let me get this thing where I can not lose it, okay? There on the ground. And turn this GPS off. Okay, now let's start it back up again and fly it. Without the GPS. Look at the difference, okay? Look at the difference. Wow. Wow. Completely stable, completely flyable. Without the GPS. Let me turn the higher rate up. I like the higher rate. Yeah. Flies fine without the GPS. Yep. I wonder if those gestures work without the GPS. I don't know. I don't know. No, I can't get it to work. Heck with it. Okay, I don't like gestures anyway. Who cares? I don't stinking gestures. Oh well. But at least it's flying. Flying great. Who needs stinking GPS, right? Okay. The descent speed is very slow. I will say that. I noticed the video quit recording for some reason. Oh, wife's probably doing those gestures. Okay, so now I gotta... Okay, so if you hit the video record button on the transmitter, it beeps. And you know how much we love that, right? So you want to use the app to record the video. And we are just going to fly it without the GPS, because it just doesn't fly good with the GPS on. Plain and simple. Okay, we're still in the second rate. Yeah, it really banks nice, steers real nice without the GPS on. So basically, it should have just been a non-GPS item. GPS wasn't necessary for this. You can hone your skills flying this thing around, I can tell you that. Flies great, man. No GPS, great stuff. Might as well let it hang here for the test the battery while we're doing this. Let me see, what's it saying on here? Well, it says I have lots of battery left, so I don't know if I'm going to be hanging that long to do that. So according to this, I got 3/4 of the battery still, and I've been going for a while. Let me see if I can... Let me stop the video for a minute. Land it. Let me turn the GPS back on. Okay, let's do that. Okay. All right, let's take off again with the GPS on. And it's doing the same thing. Okay, so I'm done with this as far as trying to get this thing to fly with the GPS. So it just wants the toilet bowl too much. No matter how many times you calibrate it, it's gonna do this toilet bowling. You just can't, it's just unavoidable. Okay, I'm turning the GPS back off. Okay, GPS off, no problem. Alright guys, there you go. The Dynalog. Flies great, as long as you don't have the GPS turned on. With my experience. Maybe somebody else have more luck than me, who knows. Alright guys, I'm heading out of here with this thing. Have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.